I guarantee this is the most interesting and unique knife you've ever seen. This is a Damascus steel knife that opens like no other that I've ever seen before. It also has this built-in mechanical lock so it stays in place, but that is how it opens. It is super unique, very different than any other pocket knife I've ever seen out there. Now, it's very important when opening it, do not open it with your hands on both ends like that, because the knife will come out and you'll immediately stab yourself. Don't do that. You want to carefully have your hands on the wooden pieces. Notice how my hand is not at the end of it where the knife blade comes out, and then you're able to just push up here for the knife to come out, and then it swivels in place to lock there. And then to close it, you're able to just pull this other wooden piece and to lock it back that way. You can do it either way. You can do it in this direction as well. I don't suggest that because then the blade faces you. I suggest facing it outward. But this is Damascus steel with an absolutely beautiful design on the blade itself. And the slit here is for the mechanical piece where it slides all the way through. You can see that is why it's designed that way. And it's this beautiful wooden outer piece of a handle with two pieces. So you can have the bottom piece and the other piece here. And it's absolutely beautiful. It comes with a beautiful sheath that you're able to put around your belt, and you're able to snap it in place to have it so that it's securely locked. It has a beautiful design on the outside. And now the cutting test. This thing is very sharp. I just made this spear with this here. So this is super sharp. You can see how easy it is to shave down the wood to make a spear, whether it be for hunting, whether it be for making s'mores, or whether it be for whatever you're doing while camping, hunting, fishing. This is just a great all-around knife. Easily able to cut up wood, easily able to cut fishing string, or anything while camping, hunting, fishing, anything outdoor. Great everyday carry knife. And just, like I said, absolutely beautiful, extremely unique, like nothing I've ever seen. You're not gonna see anyone else out there with the same knife because it's so unique. Absolutely beautiful, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.